tetrahedron has 4 faces, 4 vertices, and 6 edges. In a tetrahedron, both alpha and beta are 60. Gamma, 60 as well. A regular tetrahedron is a 3-dimensional geometric shape with 4 triangular faces, all of which are equilateral triangles. In a regular tetrahedron, all the interior angles of the triangular faces are equal, and each interior angle is 60 degrees. So each interior angle of a rectangular tetrahedron measures 60 degrees, and the total angle sum for each face is 180 degrees because it is a triangle. The 3 60-degree angles of the tetrahedron equaling 180 degrees correlate exactly with 720 years in the precessional period of the equinoxes as our Earth passes through the 12 constellations of the zodiac. The Earth axis tilt. The Earth axis is an imaginary line that runs from the North Pole to the South Pole and is tilted at an angle of about 23.5 degrees relative to its orbital plane. This axial tilt is responsible for the changes in the seasons on the Earth. The gravitational forces exerted by the Sun, Moon, and Earth, equatorial bulge caused by the Earth's rotation, create a torque that slightly perturbs the orientation of the Earth's axis. This torque causes the axis to slowly trace out a circle over time. The effects on the equinoxes. The term equinox refers to 2 points in the Earth's orbit around the Sun where the plane of the equator intersects the plane of the ecliptic, the apparent path of the Sun across the sky. There are 2 equinoxes each year, one in the spring and one in the autumn. As a result of the precession, the position of the equinoxes also gradually shifts along the ecliptic. The precession of the equinoxes of the Earth's axis is a very gradual process. It takes approximately 25,920 years to complete the cycle. During this time, the axis tilt remains relatively constant, but the direction in which the North Pole points changes. Changes in stellar positions over a course of the 25,920 years causes the position of the stars in the sky to shift. This is because the apparent direction of the north celestial pole changes as the Earth axis precesses. The precession also affects the constellations that are associated in the zodiac. The zodiac constellations were defined based on the positions of the equinoxes and solstices thousands of years ago. Due to precession, vernal equinox has slowly moved from one zodiac constellation to the next.